Python or JavaScript? Which one should you learn for DevOps? If you are building CI/CD pipelines, automating cloud infrastructure, or you just want to land that high-paying DevOps or SRE job, picking the right language can save you months of wasted effort. I've worked as a site reliability engineer for over 6 years now, and in this video, I'll break down which one dominates DevOps automation, where JavaScript surprisingly shines, and which one you should learn first. Stick around because at the end I'll show you how you can build real-world automation projects with me for free. Let's start with the obvious. Python is still the king of DevOps automation. It's clean, readable, and perfect for infrastructure scripts. Its ecosystem is built for DevOps, for AWS automation, Kubernetes Python clients, Ansible, Terraform plugins, you name it. And debugging in Python is way easier when things break at 3 a.m. during an incident. I use Python every day as a site reliability engineer, from parsing log files and analyzing SLO breaches to automating MySQL backups to S3. When I landed my first SRE job, my Python scripts for Kubernetes rollouts impressed the hiring team more than anything else. But JavaScript isn't sitting quietly in the corner. Most modern CLIs like Serverless Framework or AWS CDKs are Node.js based. It's great for full stack engineers transitioning into DevOps. You can build internal dashboards, monitoring tools, or custom APIs fast. And for front-end heavy teams, DevOps engineers who know JavaScript can ship tools that integrate perfectly with existing apps. One of my DevOps teammates built an internal Kubernetes dashboard entirely in Node.js, way faster than building it with Python. And because he already knew JavaScript from front-end work, he didn't need to learn a new language to be productive. So which one should you learn first? If your goal is infrastructure automation, CI/CD, or SRE roles, Python is the clear winner. If you're a front-end or full-stack developer moving into DevOps, JavaScript lets you leverage your existing skills. The best use case scenario, learn both eventually, but start with Python if you want to land an SRE or DevOps job faster. Knowing which language to learn is one thing, but building real-world projects is what actually gets you hired. When I started, I didn't just study syntax. I built automation projects that mimicked real production environments. And those projects directly helped me land 2 high-paying SRE jobs. If you want to build the same kind of job-ready skills, I'm giving away free preview lessons from my hands-on DevOps course. We'll build real-world projects together, automating database backups to AWS S3, deploying applications with Argo workflows, Kubernetes, Docker, and Helm. The same kind of projects that helped me land those SRE roles. Grab the free lessons and my SRE resume template. Links are below.